In this lecture, we are going to work on viewing user details. First, we are going to create static structure and then we are going to write logic for this. As soon as I click on view button, this file has to be included and in my URL, I will have view user along with the ID of the user which we have clicked. I will copy this file name. Inside admin area, I will be creating the file. Close other files. I will open view order details.php. From here, I will copy this complete div container. Inside this, I will paste and close this div. Remove this class name. I will pass user page. Remove this FA user circle. Text, I will be passing user profile. Then inside anchor tag, I have passed back and here remove, I will be passing list users. Save this, come to project, I am having user profile. If I click on back, complete user information will be shown. Again, I will click on this view button. Below this div container, create another div class, I will be passing row. In total, I will be creating two sections. First will be left section and below this, I will be creating right section. Okay, side by side, we are going to display these sections. First, let us work on left section. Create div class. I will write call LG4. Inside this, create another div class. I will be passing card and user card. Inside this div container, I will create another div class. I will be passing card body and also I will write text center. Create one image class user image. Then inside this src, come inside users area folder. From there, I will go inside user images. Inside that, let me open user images folder. I will just display khanam.png. So here, I will write khanam.png. Inside alt, I will write khanam. Below this image, create h5 class. I will be passing username. Then username, I will pass khanam. Below this h5, create paragraph class user join. Create one anchor tag FAS FA calendar alt. Outside of this font awesome text, I will be passing member since. And here I will pass the date 06/2028. Below this paragraph, divide using this HR horizontal rule. Then create one div container class user info and I will pass text to be start. Inside this, I will be creating three paragraphs and inside each paragraph, I will be passing strong tag. So first here, pass the text as email. Email, I will write hanam@gmail.com. Then mobile, some random number. Then address. Address, I will write Bengaluru. Inside this first div container, what we have created complete user info. Next, we are going to create starts. Still, we are inside left container itself. Below this, I will be creating div class. I will be passing starts box. Then write h6 total orders. Below this, create one h3. I will pass 7 orders. Copy this div container. Below this, I will paste. Next, total spent. How much each user has spent, that I will pass. Remove this, I will pass 700. Come to view order details. From below, I'm just going to copy this symbol. Copy and inside this paste. Next again, copy. Below this, I will paste completed orders. Remove this. Here I will pass completed orders. Completed orders 8. And from here, I will not be passing the text as orders. I will only pass number data. Then last, I will create another div container class. I will pass card. Another class as user card. Create another div class. I will pass card body. Then inside this, I will create one anchor tag class. I will write BTN danger. and width of 100. If the admin clicks on this, admin should be going to index.php, and in my URL, I should have delete user. As of now, I will pass the ID as 1. I am passing static data. Later on, we are going to change to dynamic ID and then come to view order details. Here, I will just search for on-click event handler. From here, I will copy this on-click, and inside this, I'm just going to paste. Remove this message, delete this user and all of its orders. In this way, we are going to show the message. And text, I will pass delete user. Save this. We have completed with the right part. Come to project, refresh once. You can see in this way, complete right content will be shown. We are going to have user profile. When user has joined, that date, username, user address, total orders, how much they have spent, completed orders, and finally we are having delete user button. Now we are going to work on this right section. Inside this, I will create div column LG of 8. Create another div class. I will be passing card and user card. Then inside this, create another div class. I will be passing card body. Then create one h5 class section title font awesome FAS FA history, and outside of this font awesome text I will be passing order history. If you are not having any orders, then we are going to display one div class. I will be passing alert and alert info. If we are not having any orders for the user, then we will show no orders found. But if you are having orders, then accordingly we are going to show the message. Just come here, refresh once. You can see inside this order history, if you are not having any orders, in this way content will be shown to admin. As of now, I'm just going to comment. Later on, based on the condition, we are going to display complete data. Now create one div class. I will pass table responsive. Create table class table and table hover. Table head, table row. In total, 6 table headings. First will be invoice. Second, date. If that particular user is having the orders, that content we are going to show inside the table. Amount. Then I will be showing products. Then status. And finally, action. Below this table head, create table body. Create this TR. First, invoice number, INV, some random number. Create another TD. Then I have to display the date 23/09/2028. Then I have to display the amount TD 700. Just scroll up, copy this symbol, and inside this paste. Next we are having products. So TD 5 items. Next I am having status. I will create TD. Inside this I will be creating span tag. Class I will be passing badge. And based on condition I will pass different badge color. As of now, let me pass badge success. Inside this, I will be passing pending. And here, let me just change to warning. And finally, we are having actions. Inside this TD, I will create one anchor tag. Better, let me come to list users.php. From here, I'm just going to copy this anchor tag. I will copy this anchor tag, and inside this, I will paste. Remove this, I will pass one. In place of this, I will write view order details. If admin clicks on this button, admin can see complete order information. I do not need title. I'm just going to remove. Then font awesome, FAS, FA solid, FAI. Okay, that's it. Save. Come here, refresh once. In this way, we are going to show the table. And if admin clicks on this, complete order information we are going to show. And in my URL, I am having one. Whatever order detail we are having related to this order, complete info will be shown. And why this complete order detail is visible? Because using this ID, we are accessing complete information, and previously we have displayed complete order info. So successfully we have created view user page. Later on we are going to write logic for this.